Tails, we're heading to Medburger. Want to come along?
I'm installing an awesome speaker system in my baby. Check it out.
You spend way too much time with that plane.
It's like he loves it. Do you love your plane, Tails? Do you love it?
I do.
Oh, that took the wind right out of my sails.
Well, if you guys will excuse me, it's time for her propeller-to-tail fuselage massage.
Okay, now that's just nuts. We're getting you out of here.
Thanks for talking me into coming along. It was good for me to get away from the workshop, so I could buy more stuff for my plane!
Free samples! Get your free samples here! Step right up and try the zestiest, lip-smackingest flavor extravaganza ever to hit your taste buds! Eggman's tomato sauce! Made with real tomatoes.
Uh-oh, this isn't good.
Hey!
You'll thank me later. I know you're up to something, Egghead. I just don't know what it is yet.
You're trying to poison these villagers.
Poison? There's no poison here. Just my patented blend of herbs and spices. Here, I'll try some myself. See? Harmless and delicious. You try.
Yeah, I think I'll pass.
Well, looks like I finally found Sonic the Hedgehog's weakness. He's scared of tomato sauce.
Oh no, my worst fears have come true.
What's wrong?
It's delicious. It's like my taste buds are swimming in a sea of mouth-watering, tomatoey goodness.
Ooh, zesty.
The spices are all organic and layer grown.
I better buy a few cans and run some tests, just to be safe.
It's been hours since I ate the sauce, and I'm feeling totally fine. You find anything on your end?
I've tested for acidity, radioactivity, arsenic, old lace, and mind control serum. It comes up clean every time.
What about brainitis? Did you check for that?
For the last time, Knuckles, there's no such thing as brainitis.
Then how do you explain?
I hate to say it, but, maybe Eggman really has changed? Hey, mister, you're my hero. Can I get an autograph?
Sure, kid, anything for...
Sure, kid. Anything for a fan.
Ah!
When I grow up, I want to be just like you.
Whoa, don't set the bar too high. Not everybody is cut out for the big time. Just look at that Sonic the Hedgehog guy. Whatever happened to him? Is he still a thing?
Hey, Tails, get this. Oh, come on, seriously? Nothing's going right today. What's going on? I need Tails to fix my communicator.
Hey, get in line, dude. First, he's got to fix my headphones.
And my ancient artifact analyzer. And my magic light tube.
Sorry, guys. I'm having problems with my own. My plane's been acting funny lately. I've been working on her all night.
Maybe you just need a break. Let's eat lunch, and then you can get back to the repairs.
Can we go to Medburger instead? I'm sick of that stuff.
Meh.
Meh.
How do they do it? The secret ingredient is mayonnaise. What the?
Welcome back to a very special edition of the Comedy Chimp Show. Live from Dr. Eggman's evil lair.
Thanks for having me, CC.
Oh, you've got to be kidding.
So, Dr. Eggman, you're a successful supervillain. Why the switch to celebrity chef?
Well, Comedy Chimp, honestly, I just needed a change. Besting Sonic week in and week out had become tedious. It was time for a real challenge.
Okay, that's enough.
And what's the deal with his haircut? I feel like I'm getting attacked by a blue pineapple.
Burn! You know, because your head has those pointy things on it.
Now I'm told you have a very special announcement for our viewers at home.
That's right, Cece. You see, in just a few short weeks, I've gotten cans of Eggman's tomato sauce into every home and business in town. But Sonic and his friends assumed I poisoned the tomato sauce. Can you believe that?
That's just bananas.
I know, right? My sauce was never tainted. It was the cans they should have been looking out for.
That's great. Wait, what?
While you people had your backs turned, my cans have taken control of all your electrical devices.
Watch it! A bruise like a delicate peach.
They all laughed when I said our appliances would turn against us. But who's laughing now?
You?
Why would I be laughing? This isn't funny. You got a sixth sense of humor.
Let's do this.
Take this, you robo-trash!
No, it can't be! Run!
Tails, we gotta destroy that plane.
No, we can't! Let me talk to her! I know I can reach her! Plane! It's me, Tails! Remember all the good times we've had together?
What?
You guys go on and stop Eggman without me. I'm gonna stay back and save my plane.
Good luck.
So the doctor tells me it wasn't an infection at all. I just sat on a raisin.
Good one. If you get me out of here, I'll set you up with a nice box of rigatoni.
This is a closed set, you know. Really sorry about the lack of professionalism around here.
Show's over, egg face.
So, you think the show's over, huh? Well, I beg to differ.
Oh, now I get it.
I'm right here! Why don't you come and get me?
Could you please not do that?
You should try it. Lair-grown spices really make a difference.
Not bad for a blue pineapple.
What are you doing? Pull up! Pull up! Got it! Woohoo! We did it! Great to have you back, old friend. Now let's go cancel Eggman's show.
Knuckles, give me a boost! Ah!
for the love of...
Face it, you blue-haired blockhead! I've got this thing in the bag! Victory for Eggman!
Did somebody call for backup?
Hey, give that back!
You may have won this round, but no matter. I've got a warehouse full of thousands more of these evil robotic cans of sauce. Probably shouldn't have said all that on TV.